Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check reported winds on the map on the Windy application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the menu icon in the right side of the screen, that's the third option. Go to the display on map section and then you should tap on the reported wind option. Now go back to your map by tapping on it. And here you can see all of the reported winds. So select an area that you are interested in, click on it, and then you are going to see this chart down below and all of the details concerning the reported wind. So feel free to swipe to the right or left side of the screen in order to check out the relevant details that might be of your interest. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.